In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Steam gift card quickly and easily. Whether you've just received a gift card from a friend or picked one up yourself, adding it to your Steam account opens up a world of gaming possibilities. Let's dive into the steps needed to add funds to your Steam wallet and make sure you're all set up for your next gaming adventure. To start, open your Steam app on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll first need to download Steam from the official Steam website. Once you have the app open, look for the login option, which you will find at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Here, type in your account name and password. If you don't already have a Steam account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions for setting up a new account. After entering your login details, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to the Steam homepage, which serves as your hub for accessing games, software, and other functions within Steam. On the homepage, draw your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options, including Games. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This will open a new page where you can enter the code from your gift card. Now, take the time to carefully enter the code. Double check each character to make sure it's correct, otherwise the code may not be recognized by the system. Once you've entered the code, go ahead and click Continue. This action will prompt Steam to validate the code, and upon successful entry, will credit your Steam wallet with the amount associated with your gift card. Keep an eye out for any prompt that asks you to confirm the credited amount. This ensures that everything has been processed correctly. Steam then takes you through a very straightforward confirmation process. This should be intuitive, with on-screen prompts guiding you every step of the way. Once this is complete, you'll find that your Steam wallet balance has been updated with the new funds from your gift card. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully redeemed your Steam gift card, giving you more flexibility to purchase games, software, or other digital goodies on the platform. Enjoy exploring the wide array of games and content now at your fingertips. Happy gaming!